Hello guys, today we will talk about the Eon mod from VaporX. Now, maybe konti lang sa inyo nakakaalam, no? Na nag-release na ang VaporX ng sarili niyang mod. Now, this is the Eon. Now, we will go to the close-up. Okay, so this is the Eon from VaporX. What I have right now is the 18350 mod. And this is broken down into three major parts: the top cap, the sleeve for the 18350, and the bottom cap with the switch. So let us start off with the top cap. Well, I was told by VaporX, no, na the whole top cap and the bottom cap is made up of copper. Hindi ko lang alam kung ilang percentage yung copper, no, pero I don't know. I cannot tell kung copper ito because it is gold plated. As you can see, no, gold plated siya. It has a 510 native connector with 4 slots para sa air hole ng atomizer. So if you have those commercial atomizers or the OD rebuildable ones, very effective tong apat na slots na to, no? And you will definitely have an airy draw. Now for the center pin is also gold plated, and it is a floating center pin with the black Delrin insulator. Ang na-notice ko lang is the center pin is medyo loose, so there's a tendency na mag-leak dito yung e-liquid, no, whenever you are using those kinds na nasa ilalim ng air hole, yung mga atomizers. So you have to be very careful, no, pag gumagamit ka ng mga ganong atomizers. Always have to check kung may leak na or kung may e-liquid na tong area na to, and then you have to wipe it off. And this is the Eon's top cap, and this is the 18350 sleeve of the Eon. Well, it is really very well machined, no, inside and out. The threadings are good and hindi siya magaspang, and it has this for 2.5 millimeter vent holes, and the stainless steel material for this sleeve is 316. So para sa atin, no, it is very rare na ginagamit nila ang 316 sa mga local mods. Usually they're using 304 or 306. So with the Eon, they use 316 stainless steel, no? And the outer diameter of the mod pala is 22 millimeters, and the threadings on both ends are are similar or the same, so interchangeable yung ends niya, no. Pwedeng yung for example yung vent holes ay ilagay mo sa taas, or you can interchange the two caps, the bottom and the top cap. Pwede mo naman ilipat yung vent hole sa baba. So as you can see, no, yung threading ng Eon mod is really buttery smooth and really very good ang kanyang machining. Now for the bottom cap and the switch, no? The switch is similar to the Siam mods, which functions like this, no? So pag i-unlock mo siya, then pipindutin mo na siya. Then after you've used the Ion mod and you want to unlock it, you just screw it in clockwise and then lock na siya. Now the base of the switch is made up of stainless steel 316 also, and it has this what they call the power band, which is gold plated, and it looks like the accent ring of the of the Adam mod, pero hindi siya beveled like the Adam mod. So if you are going to assemble the Ion, screw in mo lang yung bottom cap, and then you put in an 18350 battery, and then screw in the top cap, just like so, and then we'll put in an atomizer. So lagay lang natin yung atomizer. Now you can also set the atomizer flush dun sa top cap because of the self-adjusting copper center pin, or rather gold-plated center pin. So this is how it would look like, fully assembled with an atomizer. Now aside from those two-tone colors that I really love, you will also see the engraving sa bottom. So this is the Ion logo, which is I think letter A and E. I don't know, pero yun ang pagkabasa ko. And it has a serial number 009, wherein which the 18350 versions are only limited to 20 units, no? So sa akin yung pang siyam, and I don't know if there are still available 18350 units, no? And to use the mod, all you have to do is to unscrew the switch, and then you press para mag-fire na siya. Okay, so that is the close of the Ion from VaporX. Now we will talk about the looks of the Ion, no? Medyo mag-dwell muna tayo ng konti dun, no? So for me, no, for a local mod, this is the first time that I have seen such a very well finished local mod. Kasi maybe because of the gold plating and the well machining of the parts, no? And all the stainless parts are uh, mirror polished or polished into a mirror finish. So makikita mo talaga yung quality nung 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 whole mod. Now for the size comparison, for the sake of size comparison only, I will compare the Ion mod with the Curbs mod, which is in 18350 configuration, no? So ito ang pinakamaliit na mod ko, no? This is the 18350. Now this is the size of the Ion mod in 18350. So as you can see, medyo may kalakihan siya, no? Now Maybe may magtatanong sa inyo, ba't gano'n kalaki? Ba't gano'n ka ano? Well, because of the maybe because of the switch, no? Now, nung pinakita ko sa inyo ng close-up, no? The switch is uh, I don't know how to describe this, no? Pero malaki kasi yung assembly ng switch, no? Also, like the hex and the cube of Saya mods, no? Uh, they have the similarity sa size, no? Pagdating do sa bottom cap and the switch, no? So, for me, no, na-observe ko lang, no? Now, yung size ng switch compared to the other mods or the other local mods na maliit yung switch, na 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 ano ko lang, na-observe ko lang na whenever I use this on a very low or an ultra low atomizer, hindi ako naka-experience ng pag-iinit. So, if you want the compromise of that, na you don't want to experience the heating up the heating up of the switch and or the body, with the compromise of ano no uh, having a little bit longer mode. So para sa akin, no, if that's the case, maybe I would accept the fact that the longer mode of the Eon by VaporX is a better performer, no, para sa mga ultra low builds. As we all know, no, sa ating local community, no, vapers right now are very into the ultra low builds, and then they kind of complain na, oh, ba't ganito yung mod ko, ba't umiinit, ba't ganito yung top cap umiinit, ba't ganito yung switch umiinit. So yun yung parang ginawang basis ng VaporX na to use a heavy duty switch for that, so that yung experience ng isang vapor using an ultra low atomizer is a little bit more uh, on the positive side, where they will not have an issue of an overheating switch. And maybe that's the only reason I can think of, no, uh, kung bakit ganito kahaba tong mod to. Pero hindi naman siya actually ganun kahaba. Parang this more like I don't know how, wala yung caliper ko yun, pero tignan nyo lang kung gano'n siya kahaba. Pero kung hindi naman siya ganun talagang, hindi siya umiinit, for that matter, siguro I would give that thumbs up for the Eon mod from Vapor. Now for the performance, I will show you how it vapes. Now I'm still using this 1 ohm build for my rebuildable atomizer. By the way, I've used the 5050 PGVG of PowerPack, which is the holes, and we'll put in some few drops, and this is how it vapes. Sarap. I really like the performance of the Eon. I have never experienced um, any heating problems with the Eon. That is with the switch, no? Maybe not yet, pero as of right now, I am not experiencing any heating problems, and the performance is really very good. Maybe I can compare this to the Precise or the P Plus, and then I really like the switch. You can actually press any part of the switch now using any part of your fingers or your knuckle or your ring finger. And magpa-fire pa rin siya na magpa-fire. So in short, malambot yung switch niya and really very easy to press, and you can really feel the the power of the Aeon. Now for the thumbs up, well, the thumbs up is the finish of the Aeon mod. The quality is top notch, and I like the two-tone color, and I also like the sort of parang minimalist design, kasi hindi ako fan ng masyadong maraming design, no? I really like those straight tube mods with only a few accent of different tones, no? So that is one thumbs up for me, and the other one is the performance. Now as for the performance, don't ask me kung ilan ang voltage drop niya, no, because I'm not a fan of measuring voltage drops, no. Kasi for me, measuring those voltage drops has a placebo effect para sa akin, no? So if I feel na malakas ang isang mod, I will tell you na malakas sa isang mod, just like this one. Now, and for me, no, finding a really good mod is not all about the voltage drop. It is all about the overall performance of the mod. Now, siguro, for example, no, what's the use of a mod kung zero voltage drop na siya, which is impossible, no, siguro. Pero you kept having problems with the switch, overheating, or you're not comfortable with the switch, or you're having problems with the threadings of the atomizer or the 510 connector, or you're having problems with the spacing of the battery. So for me, no, yun ang hinahanap ko sa isang mod. And another plus is the large ventals. You will have for 2.5 rather 2.5 millimeter ventals, no? And what else? Another thumbs up would be siguro the heavy duty factor, no, of the Aeon mod. Well, if you will compare this to other tube mods or straight tube mods, the Aeon mod is a very hefty kind of mod, kasi makapal ang kanyang tube, and then as you've seen sa close-up, no, talagang malalaki yung parts niya, no. So if you want a heavy duty kind of a tube mod, then maybe Aeon mod is the one for you. Now for the thumbs down. Well, for me, no, the thumbs down is maybe the length of the tube. And I wish they could come up with a shorter 18350 mod. Kasi para sa akin, this looks like an 18500 mod. Pero, yun nga, as I've explained earlier, na because na-concentrate sila sa switch, which is also good. So yun ang drawback. And maybe another thumbs down for me is the center pin of the 510 connector, no? as I've already as I've always pointed out from my previous reviews ng other mods, yung pagiging, or excuse me, yung pagiging loose ng center pin can cause some problems with the battery, no? So if you are the kind of person na hindi mo masyadong iniintindi yung yung leaking ng isang mod, maybe makaka-experience ka ng shortage, no? Once na nag-leak yung juice or e-liquid dun sa loob ng mod. So those are the two thumbs down that I have. And overall, I really like this mod. It is kind of heavy compared to this one, which is the Captain Barbell. It is a little bit heavy pero hindi siya mabigat hawakan, no? And so that is the Aeon mod from VaporX. And if you want to get the Aeon mod, all you have to do is to contact VaporX. Well, they have this, they also have their page now, which I will put dito sa sa description ng video na to. And so that's it. And again, my name is Prince Rivera, aka The Great. And by the way, next week na yung yung VapeCon Manila 2013. I hope we will see each other doon sa event na yun. And keep on vaping and good day.